Well, guys, Monday morning message, a new week. What's the message for this week? The past 2 weeks, we've been having great Monday morning messages. And this week, instead of a message, I have a question, which is a message. What's the question? The question is, this lockdown time, this quarantine time, what are we consuming more? Are we consuming more beer or are we consuming more knowledge? Yes, that's the question. This quarantine time, are you consuming more beer or are you consuming more knowledge? Because let me tell you what, this time is kind of incubation. What we consume during this time, this lockdown time, is gonna really pay out results after lockdown is over. Nothing against beer. Beer is good for all those who drink. But knowledge is something that we can consume so much more during this time when we don't have a regular work. Much love. I'll leave you with that question to reflect, and I think this is truly a great time to consume a lot of knowledge when we don't have a normal, ongoing worries and works. I will see you guys soon through my videos, and I will see you guys here live next Monday morning, Indian Standard Time, 9 a.m., same time.